bare lips, so you know what time it is. Hi guys, this is your girl Diva Fashionista, and this is a requested video. So yes, I do request. If it's something that I can possibly do, then I will get it done for you. And this took me a little bit of a time, but here I am. I'm here. I'm doing it. This is a how to rock black lipstick video. So when I rock black lipstick, I think it's a bold statement. It's a fashion forward statement when you wear black lipstick. But when I do it, I don't feel like I should have any more drama or a lot going on in my face. So I try to keep it simple. I tend not to wear eyeshadow at all, or if I do a simple look like I'm doing now. Just a simple light little halo eye, just a little gold highlight. Nothing too much, nothing too crazy. And yeah, that's it. I tend not to wear blush or anything like that. Just let your lips be the focal point. That's what I feel. That if someone else wants to do a whole lot of drama on their face, that's fine. But for me, just a little drama, just the lips, that's it. So I haven't done this in a while on my channel, which is something that, I mean, in years maybe, which is something that I call the steal, the splurge, and the bargain. Yeah, see, it's been so long, I was like, wait, what was the other one? So the steal being something that works, that's pretty cheap, but it still works at that price point. It's really cheap. The bargain would be something a little higher price point, but it's still affordable, still something that most people wouldn't mind doing. And then the splurge being, yes, you're just going to spend them coins, honey. It's going to be $18 or better lipstick. So I'm going to go ahead and show you these and try to get you a couple swatches. You're probably going to get some hand swatches, because once I put it on the lips, it's probably going to just stay and be hard to like maneuver and get it off. So let's go. Let's start off with the steal. So this would be the steal at $2. This is a Forever Matte. Is by Ruby Kisses, or RK by Kiss, and I'm going to insert a picture because I don't have to swatch this. I already did on my channel. Go ahead and check that video out, but I will put a picture in right now. This one, I feel like it doesn't coat the lips completely, so it's not my favorite. But as far as being opaque, yeah, there you go. It's going to be opaque. It's going to do the job that you need it to do. So this would be your steal. Now, I almost hate to show this one because I think it was limited edition. Not really sure, but at $5, this is going to be a bargain. This is by Wet n Wild. This is in the color Widow's Peak. So I swatched this on my channel as well. So if there's a picture, I will insert it now. But you can also go ahead and check that video out and see. It's even a little more opaque than the $2 lipstick, but I'm not sure how readily available this one is. But at $5, it's a bargain. I wanted to give you a couple options because I didn't know if the other one was available. So I did also pick up the e.l.f. liquid matte lipstick, but being the diva that I am, I do not know where it is, and I bought it specifically for this video. So good thing I had backup, which is a ColourPop lipstick. Now they raised their lipsticks to $6.50, but I still believe at $6.50 it's a bargain. And this is Friday, and this is how this looks right there. And I recently purchased this one, so I know that they have it in stock. And I'm going to swatch this one right here next to the steal. And yes, it just seems like as we go up in price, we go up in that opacity as well. Because look at this. Check this out. Look how black that is. They're all pretty black. They'll all do what you need it to do. But I feel like $6.50, this is a bargain. If you need a black lipstick and you're going to do a ColourPop order or vice versa, go ahead and get this one. I purchased this next one I don't know, it was a long time ago. I'm like curious to see if it's still good. And it's a little fuzzy because these lipsticks are vegan, if I'm not mistaken, so they don't have as long of a shelf life. But this is a Kat Von D studded lipstick, and I believe it's still available. This is Neon. And this, when I tell you guys, I literally have every shade of lipstick I do. This is a black with shimmer. And I'm probably going to have to give you a lip swatch so you can see how it looks. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and be right. Hey. So this is Neon on the lips. And I could not find a black liner. All I could find was my eye kohl. And I really don't want to put this on my lips and then go ahead and then put it back on my eye later. I mean, ew. But all I could find was like a gray. And I mean, I could open. I've never even used this. See, this is a NYX. NYX is my favorite. And I know I have black liquid lip liner, excuse me. But I just don't know. It's not something I reach for like at all. So I don't know where it's at. But you see how this is not really covering? This is a tip. If you have a lipstick and it's not really covering your lip, go in with the corresponding lip liner and just fill that in. Because this leans towards the gray. This is, I don't know if I told you. I think it's Stone by NYX, which is a gray. Because this has some gray type of metal properties to it, it does go ahead and works it out. And this is definitely, if you're in the market for a black lipstick with some shimmer in it, this is definitely going to be one for you. And then last but not least will be my ultimate splurge, which is my favorite. This is also by Kat Von D, and this is Witches. This is the one that I reach for when I'm like, this is not my only black high-end liquid lipstick, but usually when I want to have a black moment, I reach for this girl right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch this one out and show you how this looks on the lip. Oh, I feel like it's a little crooked, but y'all know I wear glasses, I can't see. So doing lip swatches with lashes on, no glasses, I'm like, I think this might be a little crooked, but you get the point. Look at how opaque this is. It's matte, it's opaque, and look, all of them together, look at that. Do I have to tell you which one is the Kat Von D Witches? I probably don't have to tell you which one it is. Overall, black lipstick is not going to be something that you reach for every day. Maybe you do. Hey, this is a no judgment zone here. But I think whether you reach for the steal, the splurge, or the bargain, with this selection here, I think you can do no wrong. Well, that is all for me today. I want to thank you so very much for watching. Any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead, hit it. There you go. And if I don't see you, you will see me in the next one. All right, guys. Later.